Hello people, we are doing a 24-hour survival challenge. I know it sounds like clickbait. Not sure why I'm holding a stick. Not sure why there's random cows sneaking up on me. But I'm here with Noah. Hello. We have enemies approaching us right now. And I think there's 5 or 6 of them.
We're looking to fill our freezer.
Yeah, we're gonna fill the freezer, boys. With a pellet gun. Not sure what they're doing. They're just kind of chilling there. Cowboy Crawl. Trying to scare away the cows. Guys, we are treasure hunters. We found a good Converse.
A Converse shoe. Just out here in the middle of the woods. As you can tell, it's Converse because the weird lines and the, well, Converse is Converse. Nobody likes it.
This is Noah Kroll. Welcome to my pawn shop. I've actually moved location real quick. Just out from away from Noah. Noah bites sometimes. Just kidding, but no, he's just right over there. But I got to where I can see a little bit better out here, so I think the most that you're gonna learn from squirrel hunting is to get comfy before you hunt. Honestly. It's probably the best thing I've learned so far. Because it's probably going to be a while before you see anything, so just... So, we didn't see anything. We have more challengers approaching though, so... Don't know how I feel about that. Quit dry firing over there.
I dry fired at the water. Sounds cool though. I'm seeing if they'll run off.
Blink.
They're being very annoying.
So yeah, we didn't get anything. Sit here for about, I'd say a solid 20 minutes. Probably should have been more patient, but oh well. Me and Noah were just driving along here and we came along this fence and we were over there about to go to the clubhouse. And we saw this and I was like, what is that? It looked like a stump. But look here, there's a deer right here.
Deer got stuck in the fence and then
Coyotes come and found it. Look at that, huh?
I just hope it wasn't a buck.
I don't know. It looks pretty small. Yeah. Probably just a small doe. Call this cheating if you want. We have lights up in here. We got a stove. We're boiling some water for some hot chocolate. We have a whole entire gas grill underneath there. So yeah, we should be set. Yeah. Eating good in the neighborhood right there, huh?
Oh yeah, we're making hot chocolate, boys.
Making hot chocolate.
Okay, guys, this is Noah. So Spence and I, we forgot some stuff in the truck and for cooking and eating and stuff. So he went to go and do that. He'll be back pretty soon. But right now we're cooking some pepperonis with barbecue sauce and hot sauce. Pepperonis are already greasy, but you know, it'll be good either way. So Spence will be back pretty soon. Leave you with that for now, I guess.
Alrighty, so we got some burgers frying. Don't ask what it is in the pan because I'm not sure. Frying over there. Made some chili. Gonna have some chili cheeseburgers. Got 4 more patties or 3 more patties there. We're gonna be eating good. Guys, we got ourselves an amazing tasting burger. Freaking beautiful, okay? It's delicious. It's a little bit raw, but it's okay. Well, it's about 11 o'clock here, and yeah, so I think that Noah had to leave about 10 o'clock, so about an hour ago, and well, it's about 10 o'clock now. Noah left about an hour ago, like 9 o'clock, so we came down here about 11 o'clock yesterday afternoon, so to complete our 24-hour challenge, we need to walk around the woods for about an hour and just yeah, stay on here for about another hour. I'm gonna go mess around the woods for an hour and see what I can find. Okay, so it's been about an hour now, and not sure what exact time we got out of here, so I'm just gonna call it like 11 o'clock, and we have about 10 seconds till 11 o'clock. So yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Spent 24 hours down here. So I think that's the longest I've ever stayed down here, like in the woods here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the like button, comment. You know how to comment. If you want to see other stuff like hunting and fishing, which we still have doe season, which is tomorrow, so hopefully there will be a new video. It's New Year's Eve, 31st, I think, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, New Year's is tomorrow, so happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.